So today it's not really that sunny. I could go in the outdoor pool, but I think I'm gonna go over, the outdoor hot tub, but I'm gonna go over to the other one. They're just cleaning up this right now and fixing it up. I used to play shuffleboard quite a bit. We had a shuffleboard table just like this in our basement in Meadowlark in Edmonton. And we had darts. And we had a pool table, but I got 3 pool tables here. A small one, normal one, and then they got a 6x12. Wow. You don't see a lot of 6x12s anymore. But, yeah, I'm just gonna leave in about an hour. I've already checked out. This is the rec center. Dominoes over here. And jigsaw puzzles. Lots of puzzles here, eh?
Yeah, there is. Almost overfilled.
What's your largest piece size? Do you have a 2,000 piece puzzle?
No, we don't have room on the tables.
Oh.
To do a 2,000. I think we have
1,000.
1,500.
1,500, eh? Yeah, those 2,000 piece puzzles, they take a while to do.
Yeah, and we don't have big enough tables because that one is for the librarian over there.
Oh.
We did have 1,500, but I don't know where it is now.
Should be right. And 750 seascapes.
300, 500, yeah.
That looks like a good one. That's a lot of puzzles.
Somebody must have took it home. Oh, there it is.
Oh, you got CDs and DVDs. Huh.
That's the 1,500, this one.
Oh, that looks neat. I've done about 30 puzzles in the last 2 years. They're all on my wall. I've glued them.
You glued them? Oh, lucky you.
Yeah, glued them all. Yeah, this is neat. Nice little room.
Well, we don't usually keep the 2,000 piece because we don't have room. And
Yeah.
there's no room on the tables.
Oh, you need a big table for 2,000 pieces, I know.
Oh, yeah.
I did one of the world. Oh my God, the entire world map. 2,000 pieces.
There was one on the wall here before they revamped in here.
Yeah. Hey, the sun is coming out.
Ooh, better catch that on camera. Yeah.
Well, maybe I will go on the outdoor pool.